Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Messenger on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is open the App Store. So, let's go ahead and find that on our phone and tap to open it. Once you've opened the App Store, you'll want to select the search icon. It's usually in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Tap that. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. That's where we'll type in what we're looking for. Let's search for Messenger. Once you've searched for Messenger, it should be the top result. It'll have the Messenger logo, which looks like this. Let's tap on that result. Now, you can scroll down to view more information about the application if you want to. You can see screenshots, read reviews, all that good stuff. However, to download it, you need to scroll all the way back to the top. You'll see a button that says, Get. Go ahead and click on that. Now, mine shows a cloud button because I've downloaded this app in the past. If it's your first time, it'll say Get. Once you've downloaded the application, the Get button will change to an Open button. Select Open, and it will immediately open the Messenger application. You'll be greeted with the login screen. Now, because I've logged in before, it's automatically showing my profile. However, you might be taken to a different screen if you haven't logged in previously. So, let's continue the login process. And once we've logged into our account, we can begin using Messenger just as we normally would. And that's it. That's how you download and install Messenger on your iPhone. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.